We are back. We are about to go to Griot's car show and show off her car. See you there.
See you there.
I'm all parked up, about to go find Des and show you around. You know, I was looking around for the other cars and turn around and I see her right behind me.
Real quick. Awesome. Come down and see it. Of course. Nice seeing you.
Hi. I got a little gift package from Griot's because they saw me detailing with turtle wax. So look in the trunk.
Wow.
Yeah, I got some microfiber ultra plush. It's so soft. And then
Look at you.
then I got some speed shine, some best of show detailer, and then I also got a PFM edgeless detailing towels. So pretty sick.
Yeah,
Pretty sick.
pretty cool.
Everyone's over there in line to take photos with Derek from Vice Grip, apparently. So it just keeps going. It's just going.
It's kind of funny because he came here to enjoy the show and look at all the cars.
He can't enjoy it.
He just can't even do it till like hours at end. He's like, look at all these people, and he's gonna feel bad for not saying hi to everyone. And then he's not gonna see all the cars till like when the show's ending and they get all the awards and everyone's leaving.
Yep. Probably.
I feel bad.
Or unless he leaves early, because this is insane.
I mean, it's
crazy.
cool to see that, but at the same time, I'm trying to enjoy the show, just like anyone else.
Yeah. Everyone's double parked. This is cool. I'm biased though. I love moons and stars. This cougar is really nice. This is pretty clean. There's so many classic cars here. I love it. Oh my gosh, this color. Wow. You're looking at the Saturn. It's interesting. since the last time I've seen it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Looks really good.
Thank you, thank you.
Plenty of pandas out there.
Yeah, but there's none that looks like yours here.
That is true.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw a GTR earlier that
The
was...
one that came through?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, that one was pretty nice.
Yeah.
I would be a very, very happy person.
He found the snacks.
Ramen. No, I want everything.
Are these your snacks too?
These are all my snacks, yes. This is my exotic snack business.
Okay.
Yep.
These are the ones you chose? Some ramen flavor?
I want to try them. I like ramen. They're chicken.
Hey, I'm gonna try one at least. So we got strawberry Coke and ramen Lay's, I think.
It looks like it, yeah. I don't know.
RX-7.
Oh, the other shirt you gave me was not enough.
I know who owns this one. What's up?
You know, just out here grinding.
This Mustang has won so many awards.
The one that has stolen 2 awards.
2 awards.
I think, I don't know.
From you?
No, I probably didn't steal him. He just has a better car than I do in those categories.
It is special.
I wanted to win those categories.
Mystical. It's literally right there. It is beautiful, beautiful color. Wow, Trans Am, look at that. Jacob's BMW in the light. You can actually see some of the color flip now. Last time it was just dark.
She gets a little excited.
Hi!
Oh, I don't care.
This is my dream car. Double trouble. It's a nice green. Look at all these goodies.
Hello?
Hello. Oh, hello.
Yo.
You're on video now.
Sweet. What's up, video guys? And purging. So are you gonna like scan the paper one to like get a panda head mask? It's similar to your thing. So I'm just gonna use that. What is it? Let's see.
I know him. A lot of people have been doing this lately. Hey, there's my twin.
Oh my God. Dude, I like your shoes. The one who likes metal music.
man. I'm like, okay, I didn't like.
Wow.
Up real quick.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so we are back. I forgot to get a little bit of the drive back, but I did get her a roller, so you'll probably see that. She won 16th out of 50 awarded cars. I think they said there was, what, 200 cars there or something like that? I don't really know. But 16th's pretty good,
Yeah.
I guess. But yeah, we finished that up, and now we're gonna chill and probably head to the meet later on.
Yep. See ya.
Bye.